Okay, guys, we're off work at home. Been home since 9-ish this morning. Took a nap, went to the doctor's office, did some stuff. So we're gonna open some packs. We got our morning, night, nap packs. I'm not buying these anymore. I'm just not interested in them, to be honest. These, I think I'm done buying because I have all of them, pretty much. These, I got 3 boxes coming in today because there's a couple plus cards in here that I really want, not necessarily need. They just look really cool. And then later this month, GDO 5 is coming out. My boy Wing Zero is up in there. Super excited for him. And a new Gundam and another Amuro's coming out. Green cards are definitely getting a buff. Ooh, Strike Freedom. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. I think the concept of these Eternal Nexus cards makes sense where you're playing multiplayer. It's just the SD Gundam. It just gets me. Like I just don't like it. I like the full size. Oh. Put you right there. The full size Gundams. I think they're more towards adult, and SD Gundams more towards like the kids. Oh, that's a pretty good looking card. Justice Gundam. I'll have to see what that one's about. Oh, and that's it. All right, that's it for those. Let's get the GDO4s done. Let's get those cooking. And then, of course, if we get a yellow back, we open a bonus pack. So the chances of getting a yellow back card in GDO2 significantly higher than GDO4, just from my experience. Oh, gosh, we got a lot of those good resources. I'm plumb full of those. I actually have to get another binder just for those. Saturday and Sunday, gonna be trying to set up a family friends tournament. So we'll probably try to go live for that. Oh, nice. Nice. And the resource for it. That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. But I'll try to go live for it. Try out the whole setup and everything. I'll keep you posted on the times. It will be on Facebook. And if you don't know about my Facebook, it's Family and Friends Gundam on Facebook. Okay, well, that's it for the GDO4s. Let's get the 2s going. And that's our bonus pack. Let's go. I'm going to grab it real quick. Let's do a GDO2 bonus pack. Let's see what we got. I told you guys, these suckers hit hard. Okay, here we go. Nice. Nice. I'll take that. I think I got plenty of those, but I'll take it. Guys, we're doing one a single bonus pack. Okay, we're not. Calm down. I mean, we could do another one. We probably should. I think we will. It's the right thing to do. Nice. Nice. Take that. Let me get that bonus pack. We're going to do GDO 4 because I'm almost out of those. All right, this is our bonus pack. Pretty much guaranteed not to get another yellowback on that sucker. Whoa, calm down. Silver bullet, nice. I'll take that. All right, back to it. Got one more after this. This is it. Done. Ooh, Elmeth. You beautiful, worthless card. It's all right. I needed 30 of you, and I think I have 28 now. Those are our polls.